days, shopping for a dive computer is like shopping for a car. There are a lot of models to choose from. Cressi's Leonardo boasts an elegantly simple design, perfect for recreational divers, and is the first computer completely manufactured by Cressi Electronic. This sleek, wristwatch-style dive computer is a single gas unit, has a user-changeable battery, and is Nitrox capable to 50%. The large single button lets divers access all easy-to-read screens. User-friendly functions such as an adjustable conservatism factor, PO2 settings, and a bright backlighting round out the Leonardo's list of features. The audible alarm has been heavily researched to maximize and clarify the sound underwater. Available in 5 colors as well as a 2-gauge console, Leonardo's interface is compatible with all versions of Windows PCs and Macs and uses an infrared technology for downloading. And with no wet contacts used on the unit, the Leonardo stays free of rust. The bottom line, the Leonardo is a complete RGBM computer that offers all the functions recreational divers need, plus more in a sharp-looking package.